Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin price, taking a look and see where Bitcoin might be headed to. We did have a nice little sell-off here, and we're still seeing that capitulation play out alongside with the hash ribbons. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at about $31,500. And yeah, it's not looking too pretty right now for Bitcoin. Some of the alts that we have dollar cost average into are up right now, though. So looking forward to seeing how those still perform against Bitcoin. And I think that more or less this is still a great time to dollar cost average and continue to buy. I don't think our bull run is over just quite yet. I think that we still got a lot happening towards the end of the year that we will be waiting for to play out. But let's go ahead and tune on into this article here. For Bitcoin in 2021, development could be huge for cryptocurrency acceptance, fund manager says. And yeah, let's go and cue the intro and get started. All right, folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated each and every single video that we make on this channel, because we know that bull run is not over just quite yet throughout 2021. And then also join us through our private trading group page. We use Patreon as a payment processor. Make sure you have a Discord username whenever you get signed up through our Patreon service, and get access to all of our private posts on Discord. All right, folks, and let's see. Okay, so one development could be huge for cryptocurrency acceptance, fund manager says. What do we got here? ETF Edge, this seems very bullish for Bitcoin, says Off-Freeze King. Bitcoin's bull case was on full display in Miami this weekend. A 12,000 person conference billed as the largest Bitcoin themed event in history highlighted the excitement and enthusiasm swirling around the cryptocurrency. Off-Freeze Funds founder and CEO Greg King told CNBC's ETF Edge on Monday. King, whose firm runs the Osprey's Bitcoin Trust, said that despite verbal attacks on the Federal Reserve and Elon Musk, the mood at the conference was largely positive. It feels a lot like 2017 felt, but with the broader phase, King said it's taking the movement forward from where it's been over the last 12 years. King said mentions of digital currencies' recent sell-offs were muted. Instead, Bitcoin fans focus on longer-term developments, including El Salvador president saying he would seriously consider making Bitcoin legal tender, a huge indication of acceptance, King said. El Salvador has used the US dollar as legal tender since 2001. El Salvador's move would be first. It's likely it won't stop there. Grayscale Investment CEO Michael Shalahan said in the ETF Edge interview, as we think about nation states, the central banks exploring digital currencies, we're not surprised to see places that have historically relied on the dollar, or folks who have experienced hyperinflation exploring the potential merits of digital currency. We would not be surprised to see states and central banks beginning to think about adding Bitcoin and other crypto to their balance sheets. Grayscale runs the biggest publicly traded Bitcoin fund in the world, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Bitcoin fell 10% on Tuesday, trading above 32,800 after U.S. authorities seized a part of ransom paid in cryptocurrency to the hackers responsible for the Colonial Pipeline distribution. Yeah, so also there you have it, folks. The Colonial Pipeline distribution was actually funded by, I guess, some of the cryptocurrencies, and we've seen that kind of play out here. So more FUD being driven into the crypto markets. It has been quite a big day. Bitcoin slides over 10% after U.S. seizes most of Colonial Pipeline ransom. The world's largest cryptocurrency fell 10% to a price of 31,000. U.S. officials said Monday they have seized 2.3 million in Bitcoin paid to the hacker group DarkSide. FBI was access private keys, able to access AMP or password, and the hackers Bitcoin's wallet. So interesting. Some of the, I guess they use Bitcoin, and we do know that Bitcoin is traceable. So not too sure why they would ransom inside of Bitcoin, but hey, just more FUD to drive the market down, as y'all may know, and to see also some capitulation inside of the markets. Sorry about that, folks. It's just one thing after another, I feel like, with FUD right now in our Bitcoin market. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, see what's going on over there, see what we can determine. All right, so taking a look at the Bitcoin charts here, zooming on into the price, we are sitting at about $31,700, right underneath $32,000, folks. And then if we go back over here, we can also see that We did have a nice little sell-off after our daily chart continued to break below. We could have probably drawn some type of line out here to say, okay, if we break this line here, then that's not a good sign. And lo and behold, we did break that line and we fell below it. We like to see these stair step patterns kind of play out. We didn't get our next little trigger wave to the upside, and we had a nice little price fluctuation to the downside here. Also on our candlestick patterns, we are starting to see our orange color possibly leading into a little bit more of a bearish momentum for us too as well. So we need to remain a little cautious as of right now. It does look like our hash ribbons have also started to signal more capitulation for us too, as y'all know. More capitulation, a capitulation signal on our hash ribbons for the most part does lead to a little bit more of a sell-off. So are we looking, past or below $29,000? That is a possibility, folks. I mean, we could definitely see another substantial wick to the downside to crash the cryptocurrency markets. I'm not holding it against. It does look like we have a red dot here on our 2-day chart as well with Market Cipher, which does leave a little bit more of a bearish taste in our mouths as of right now. So let's see what's going to happen here. No sign of a red dot on the 3-day. Let's continue to kind of zoom in here just a tad bit, taking a look at the 6-hour chart. We are just going to make sure that we have this trend line drawn out here. Oops, wrong one. We have our trend line drawn out here that has kind of somewhat of a double top formation. This would be our next resistance that we need to break through. Obviously, next support would probably be at about $29,000 or so. If we are to break below 29,000, then that's not going to be a relatively good sign. Let's just see here if we break below so-called $29,000 or so. We're definitely looking for quite a big of a move to the downside. Yeah, this definitely would probably lead us all the way back down to $20,000, where we broke through our previous all-time high that had held us down for so long. So folks, this is definitely looking a little scary as of right now, but also you got to make sure that you are doing your due diligence in this market, studying, making sure that you're in the right altcoins too as well. But we did want to see a little bit more of a recovery here. Let's take a look at our 4 hours, see what's happening here. Money flow just looks relatively thin. Our volume just looks really, really thin right now, which definitely means that we could have more of a potential sell-off too as well. So just remaining cautious here. It does look like we are probably going to be in the works of maybe one more downswing to the bottom and seeing if we can make some recovery from there. But yeah, I do feel that time is still on our side when it comes to the Bitcoin markets as well. Some of our alts are still performing for us right now as we speak. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how some of the alts run compared to Bitcoin and its little sell-off that is happening here too, folks. So if you want to check out our alt list, be sure to join us in our private trading group page. Links in the description box below. And then also if you want to pick up some of our paid for indicators, links in the description box below for that too as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated each and every single video that we make on this channel, folks. And we're just gonna have to remain patient. Obviously, if we break below $29,000, then yeah, we're looking for quite much more of a bigger sell-off, and I would be a little hesitant to remain bullish as of right now. I think that we still have some downside to play out, but it is a great time to continue to dollar cost average into this market, and I look forward to everyone being able to have that second chance here within the cryptocurrency space and get their second opportunity to maybe make the next rally to the upside worth it and substantial for yourself too as well. So thanks for tuning in, folks. I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.